Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. As always, I'm your host, Jonathan. Today we're in the normally relatively quiet neighborhood of Greenwich Village, West 11th Street to be exact. Maybe you can't hear that. I can hear it, but I'm in New York City. At any rate, today we're going to talk about 18 West 11th Street, which is the building behind me with the projection sticking out of it. Now, why would that building look so different compared to the other beautiful style homes here on West 11th Street? Well, the truth is, on March 6th, 1970, a radical leftist group called the Weather Underground, who was protesting the war in Vietnam, and a number of other things, I guess, going on around the same time, were building bombs in the basement. Owner James Wilkinson had gone to a vacation in the Caribbean, and his daughter Caitlin was home building bombs with friends when one of them exploded. Blew the front of the building off. Caitlin comes running out. Her clothes have been blown off and burnt, and she's dazed and very badly injured, and her friends inside had been killed, very badly mangled, and no one could identify them. So they had to call on a neighbor to come over to see if they could identify these burned up corpses, and that neighbor was actually the graduate himself, Dustin Hoffman, making this just a little bit weirder. So Wilkinson sells the building, obviously, that had a big explosion in it. And he sold it to Norma and David Langworthy, who hired architect Hugh Hardy to redesign the building. And they decided they wanted it to look like a new modern building, that it wouldn't wouldn't fit in with the other buildings around here, in part because of the experience that went on there, but also they had to rebuild the building from inside and so forth, and they wanted it to make it look new and modern, so they put this projection on it. So, if you are in Greenwich Village and you're walking on West 11th Street, look at this building, you can say to yourself, ah yes, that highly entertaining and informative video 1 Minute Walking Tour, to which you should like and subscribe, told me all about that. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tour.